been like thousands of years. You still. Where are you, dude? Come on, man. I'm doing all this good. What's this, huh? Oh. So if you do that, what if people punch the arm?
I think I'm not sure if that's legal.
What? How's it not legal?
How do your tongue get it? Yeah? I don't think you can see anything.
You know,